Can you feel it? There's a rushing wind at our back, and we're rushing. Don't even know where we'll land. Can you hear it? There's a steady sound getting louder as our feet touch down. So we hold on and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride.
We are in the Democratic Republic of Congo, invited by the Kayuzi-Biega National Park.
Prêt, Vianney? Prêt? Oui.
What we're going to be doing is following a process of getting a group of wild gorillas used to a human presence, so tourists can safely enter their territory. Every day for the next 3 months, we're going to try to get closer, gradually becoming part of the gorilla family. With primates, it's never easy. The last thing they want to do is hang around humans. To them, you are afraid. You're putting your life in danger because the silverback is there to protect every single member of his family.
In the heart of Africa lies an ancient land. This is the natural world at its most remote and unknown. The creatures here know how to navigate their land and its weather. But when a rare climate event unleashes its power, the oasis is shattered. Battle lines are drawn. This is Tanzania's Katavi National Park.
Life in Hollywood with a hummingbird rehabber is absolutely fascinating. Here to talk is Terry. She runs a hummingbird hotline. Since 2008, she's received more than 20,000 calls.
Their lives depend on me when they come in. They're damaged, they're injured.
This is Terry calling you about the hummingbird.
I actually found an injured hummingbird. It can't fly.
Try to get them here as soon as you can. I always tell people, I never measure a rescue by the outcome, only by the compassion that went into saving the bird.
I'm gonna check you and see what's going on with your wings. It's okay, you're safe.
She should have flown a week ago.
What is it, Cactus? Why don't you just go?
I'm gonna give her some more time.
London's Natural History Museum is full of wonders. It's a place where we can get a vivid idea of the great variety of life that inhabits our planet. But there are some creatures here that I can never hope to encounter because they are extinct.
Ladies and gentlemen, the museum is going to be closing in 5 minutes, so please make your way towards the exits. Thank you.
Tonight, however, something magical is happening.